I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm going bananas for this new recipe. This is peanut butter, banana, chocolate, French toast, swirls. It's a breakfast item. Your kids are gonna love this. The ingredients for this recipe: white bread, bananas, peanut butter, chocolate syrup, 3 eggs, cream and milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and for the frosting, we have powdered sugar, melted butter, milk, and vanilla. To get to the finish line fast, set your oven at 350 degrees to preheat. You may have all these ingredients on hand because they're really simple, but I went bananas at the 99. That's where I go every week to do my shopping. It's in my hometown. I always have a party when I'm in that store. I can't believe the prices of the things I find. This whole recipe only costs you about $2.50 in ingredients, and it's gonna feed 8 people breakfast. And you're gonna keep the leftovers for the next time you make it. Let's get started. Slice the crust off your white bread. This is a basic sandwich bread that I got at the 99. For 99, there you go. The recipe comes with bird food. To be fed later. This recipe is going to use the entire thing of peanut butter. It's so perfect. It came in just the right amount for this. And heat it up for 30 seconds because you want it slightly melted. Then chum and lay out your bread and slightly overwrap them. And put some water on the seams and squish them together. Hits the glue and spread your peanut butter right on top. Cover it all. Oh yeah. Time for the banana. Open him up. Take off his jacket and slice him up. The banana's going bananas. He wants to get away. So bananas are gonna go on top. Last but not least, and here comes the chocolate syrup. This was 99 cents. So drizzle, drizzle, drazzle, drool. Isn't it fun to hang out in cooking school? This is our glue inside our banana peanut butter chocolate French toast swirl. The first part of the roll up is the most important because those bananas just want to squish out, but keep going. And squeeze the edges together if it wants to come apart. And into the baking dish she goes. A food craft is a really fun summertime activity. Cook at home with your kids or take them shopping with you at the 99. Summertime is a great time to go. Besides all the fresh fruit and vegetables in their produce section, they also have a lot of fun summer toys. They are so inexpensive. I had a ball playing with the balls. Kind of lost one along the way. I had to retrieve them. It was time to clean up on aisle 9. They even had the cutest summertime clothing for kids. I was tempted to buy one of those kids' shirts. And I did, even though it wasn't going to fit me. I decorated my whole kitchen with stuff I found there. Isn't that cute? All those pineapples and then the wall decor. Now my kitchen is all set for summer. Having a fun kitchen just makes me happy. I kind of go on a high when things are so inexpensive. Comment and tell me if you do too. It's a little retail therapy. The 99 is always affordable. Better yet, they have a sweepstakes. It's called #GoBananas Shopping Spree Sweepstakes. Click the link and join in. They also have a store locator near you. They've got 350. My favorite part of the recipe is squirting on that Nestle's Quick. That was only 99 cents. Delish. And fill her up and keep going. Because you got a lot of kids to feed, I bet. Now we're done. It used almost an entire loaf of bread. I have 3 kids, so this is enough. And there's gonna be leftovers. So the last one's going in, and I'm gonna rearrange them in my baking pan. So there's more room for our next step. So you need to have 3 eggs into a bowl and 1 cup whipping cream. That's heavy cream. And at the 99, this was such a deal. So pour that in with your eggs. Add 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons regular granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. This is the same stuff you use in any other kind of French toast. That's a liquid recipe, but ours are gonna be deluxe today. Whisk it up. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna pour this mixture over our French toast swirls. This is the classic French toast recipe liquid going over that peanut butter, chocolate, and banana we rolled up into that white bread. This is a treat, but it's healthy with that peanut butter and banana. We want all of that mixture to wick up into our white bread. So after 5 minutes, pick them up and turn them over. And that means it's not gonna go dry in the oven. It's gonna have all that French toast egg crust batter on it. Oh yeah. And they expand like a sponge. So into the oven they go. That's gonna cook for 45 minutes. So set your timer. And while that's cooking, let's make our frosting. The ingredients for the frosting are so simple. It's butter, powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. I work and I have 3 kids, and hallelujah for the 99. I go shopping there every week. And this week, I went bananas. I love the tropical fruits, like the coconuts and the pineapples. They seem to go with the bananas, so I got some. I also got all the vegetables I needed for the week. They had 2 kinds of cauliflower, and they had all kinds of peppers. And the peppers were 2 for $2.99. That is more than half price than anything you're gonna find at any other store. And I got this butter there too. And you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of it. And we're gonna melt that for 20 seconds in the microwave. Done. And to the butter, we're adding 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 cup powdered sugar, a little at a time, and whisk it together and combine it all up until it's smooth and luscious. Oh yeah. And you may need to taste it. After all, you are the cook. Yum. It's almost ready, but I think it's time to get dressed for the occasion. I had so much fun getting all the outfit attire. They've got all kinds of summertime goodies, like really cool hats and cute sunglasses. And how do you like my new skirt? I'm ready to go bananas and hula. It's a fun look. I consider shopping to be fun. And at the 99, it's okay to go bananas. So I've been told. It's ready. Oh yeah, that looks great. How do you like my oven mitts? I got them at the 99 as well. Oh, and then drizzle that icing on it. Yum. Oh, yum. And time to serve it. Wow. And I saved a little sauce. Oh, yeah. And a few extra banana rings for your little monkey. And let's take a look at the inside. Oh, yeah. And I think we need to go bananas on the top as well. Of course, with a little more of the frosting. And tell your kids, if they're really good, they get whipped cream on top with some sprinkles. I got them there too. What a great Go Banana summertime dessert. And that topping was a great deal too. Time for the bite. Oh yeah. With the banana and the whipped cream. And technically, that's French toast. Make sure you check the description box to find a location near you and sign up for that contest and have a really fun time shopping like I did. You might want to go bananas. In your new outfit. This is a great breakfast with that protein and the peanut butter and those eggs so that you can get ready to go hit the beach or the pool. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. Because we really have a lot of fun making recipes, especially once we get to go bananas. Okay, time to go.